Imagine a world where messages are conveyed with clarity, where stories are told with impact, and where experiences are elevated to new heights. That world is here with Hawaii LED screens. In a world where information is power, Hawaii LED screens are empowering people to make informed decisions, stay connected, and navigate their surroundings with ease. From the grandeur of public installations to the intimacy of personal spaces, Hawaii LED screens are redefining the way we interact with our surroundings and with each other. In a world where technology is constantly evolving, Hawaii LED screens are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, challenging our perceptions, and inspiring new perspectives, thus makes us the country's leading LED manufacturers and the leader in the field of LED manufacturing. The future is bright, and it's illuminated by the limitless possibilities of LED screens. Join the journey with Hawaii and discover how these incredible displays can transform your world.